Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best tennis rackets available on the market right now. We'll dive deep into their features, performance, and value to help you make the best choice for your game. If you're interested in any of these products, you can find the links in the description below. So, let's jump right in. Coming in at number 5 is the HIRALIY 27-inch tennis racket set for adults. This set is perfect for beginners or recreational players who are just starting their tennis journey. With its lightweight frame weighing only 280 grams, it ensures a comfortable experience even during extended practice sessions. The handle is ergonomically designed, offering a comfortable grip that helps reduce hand fatigue and absorbs racket impacts. The standout feature of the HIRALIY set is its value-packed offering. You get 2 pre-strung tennis rackets, 3 premium tennis balls, 2 handle overgrips, and a convenient carrying bag. The rackets boast a sturdy aluminum frame with a reinforced T-joint for added durability, ensuring it can withstand repetitive use. The matte finish adds a touch of elegance, making it look as good as it performs. While this set is ideal for casual games or beginners, it may not offer the precision and power that advanced players are looking for. The string tension is decent for recreational use, but might not be sufficient for high-level play. Overall, for $39.99, it's a fantastic starter kit that provides great value and convenience for anyone looking to get into tennis. At number 4, we have the Racquets Tennis Racket Set, a value-packed option for beginners. This set includes 2 27-inch lightweight rackets, 3 tennis balls, 2 other grips, and a carrying case, making it a complete package for casual players. The oversized 105 square inch head provides a generous sweet spot, helping you hit more consistently and with greater accuracy. The Racquets rackets are pre-strung with durable transparent strings that maintain tension well, allowing for reliable performance. At just 0.57 pounds each, these rackets are incredibly lightweight, making them easy to maneuver during extended play. The aluminum construction ensures a good balance between durability and weight, while the soft overgrip minimizes vibrations, reducing the risk of hand fatigue or injury. While the Racquets set is perfect for recreational use and beginner players, the lightweight design and lower string tension might not provide the power and control that intermediate or advanced players need. However, for $35.82, this set offers excellent value for families, students, or anyone looking for a fun way to stay active. In third place, we have the Wilson Tour Slam Adult Recreational Tennis Racket, a solid choice for those seeking power and stability at an affordable price. With its volcanic frame technology, this racket delivers enhanced stability, allowing for more controlled and powerful swings. The V-Matrix technology provides a larger sweet spot, making it easier to hit clean, powerful shots. The racket is pre-strung and features stop shock pads that reduce vibrations, giving you better control and comfort during play. At 454 grams, it's slightly heavier than some of the other options on our list, but that added weight contributes to its stability and power, which is beneficial for beginners who need extra assistance with their swings. The aluminum frame and carbon fiber shaft ensure durability, so this racket can handle plenty of use. While the Wilson Tour Slam excels in power and stability, its heavier weight might not appeal to players who prioritize agility and speed. Still, at $30.80, it's an excellent choice for beginners and recreational players who want to upgrade their game without breaking the bank. Taking the top spot is the 27-inch Pro Tennis Rackets 2-pack by Opium, the premium choice on our list. This set is perfect for beginners and intermediate players who want a high-quality racket with a sleek design. The package includes 2 27-inch rackets, 2 tennis balls, 2 overgrips, and a carrying case, making it a comprehensive option for budding tennis enthusiasts. The aluminum and composite material frame strikes a perfect balance between durability and weight, ensuring that these rackets can handle tough matches while remaining easy to maneuver. The strings are durable and provide excellent tension retention, giving players more control and power in their shots. The comfortable grip adds to the overall user experience, making it a joy to play with these rackets. At $49.88, this set is the most expensive option on our list, but the quality and performance make it worth every penny. Whether you're just starting out or looking to elevate your game, the Opium Pro tennis rackets offer exceptional value and versatility, making them the top pick for this list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the perfect tennis racket for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. See you in the next video.